everyone, it's me, Ala the Inventor Girl, and today I'm going to show you how to clean a bone or skull of an animal. So I found this skull at a beach, sort of hard to pick up. So I found this at the beach, and I'm going to show you how to clean it. So for this, you're going to need some Dawn dish soap, a bucket, some water, and whatever you're gonna clean. And later we're gonna need some hydrogen peroxide. Alright, now we're gonna drop into the dish soap and let it soak overnight. And if you'd like, you can use tongs if you don't want to touch wherever you're soaking. In it goes. So we're just gonna let this soak, like I said, for overnight. And then we're gonna clean it with hydrogen peroxide. Alright, so it's been soaking for a couple of days, and we're gonna dump out the old water and wash it in this hydrogen peroxide solution. Yellow jackets. And you know how we thought it was a skull? Well now, we think it's like a backbone, and you can even still sort of see cartilage in it. Okay. Alright, so this is what it looks like now. And I'm gonna put it in the bucket of water. And then I'm gonna add, hydrogen peroxide. Alright, we pour the hydrogen peroxide in, and then we're just gonna let it soak and check it every 30 minutes, and it should turn white. We let it sit in hydrogen peroxide and we pulled it out, and now we're gonna just let it sit in the sun to see if it can make it less stinky.